Information just reached my side. Oh, say one of Davido close friend just died. Una the reason wetin na the reason. Hey, things they happen. We gonna say this Obama DMW, I mean a BMW, saying that due to just one kind small sickness. Oh, saying they complain, saying they feel breathing, they get breathing problem. Now they ain't can carry remote. Now instead drive by himself. Oh, enter Lekki hospital, enter one hospital there for Lekki before we go here and Kasala don boss. Kasala don everything don spoil. We don't hear another story. My people beg, make na use na eye see.
Not lie. Not lie. You don't go. You don't go.
I see your updates web saying this thing, but you won't tell anybody. Wait.
Don't go, no worry, no worry, no worry.
Hey! Now so person they die. Person will be say just dey na. He dey alive. He don't want die. My mind just a reason to that prophecy. When one pastor talk about Davido. It be like say this prophecy just come back, but this one they come indirectly. Because they talk say they go poison this one. I no come no be na sure say no be even poison. I come make this all breathing thing enter this whole wahala. Because I no come dey understand this kind thing. But most of all these guys who they follow Bill, this 30 billion gang, most of them na heavy. When I talk say heavy smokers and drinkers. Una go dey do this, they smoke say na they enjoy life. Carry weed, put for here, put for nose, smoke and the thing go come outside from ear. Una think say na they do people. Now on self na they do. Cause this one we don't there. Person don't know. Whether na the smoking or na something na cause the whole breathing wey no dey feel breathe. And even people where they produce this cigar, they write and say smokers are liable to die young. So you where you know say you no want die young. I beg. Why you they follow? Why they take all this kind of thing? This one I never can understand. But Davido, Mr. Davido, I beg no vex. It be like say you suppose come, make we carry you go for cleansing. Make we carry you enter inside one kind select water, bath you with broom, wash your body because what did they happen? I beg. What did they stop? This one where person just they die for your side. What did they happen? Just last year, your bodyguard, person where they follow, he die. For 2017, about 3 of your friends within 1 week they die. So what do you want to talk say they happen? You want to talk say death now only your friends now they like. I be death now your gang, your 30 billion gang now they always follow. Cause I know they understand this kind of thing. Tomorrow no they promise. In fact, the people when they sleep they wake up and I suppose they thank God. Because now no know what will happen. 30 minutes, person fit day now they chill, they enjoy life before you go see. Person don't sleep, you don't fall and die. Person don't fall, be one kind muti will just happen to the person don't die. But I sure say the video in village people don't they follow. Because if say na family, if say na house, when we say person they always die, I sure say the person go don't carry this matter. Go church, go do fasting and prayer. The video suppose reason all this kind of thing. Say something they happen. Something they really happen. And for some people say, they know they check their body. They feel just they live like wood. Treatments they no go. Make headache worry this person from January to December. You know go pass agbo, jadi. Now they go they drink. They don't go hospital. Say, make I go even do the right test. Some people in ignorance now they kill them. They feel they get the symptoms. So I no go surprise. Say this guy maybe the breathing this in don't they get the symptoms small. But look and say na small thing until the thing go come gravitate a big graduate. It reach something where be say you no go feel cure again. Now again I come no say something don't happen. Make na they take care of na health. Make na no they wait until when we say your hand won't break, don't shift, go one side before you come no say now you won't go hospital. Do one now before you go come old. Medicine no go result inside something else. So I they beg me. But as it be like this, we they gotta say they don't already bury this guy because this guy is a Muslim guy. And the burial ceremony, you know, some Muslim people they know they keep their body to enter the next day. But as this guy died, like say time don't go. And there they do the burial ceremony. My people I beg, make na follow me watch this burial ceremony.
Drive, you go do my
Mama, she's gone. No, he's gone. Take her. Ew. He's gone. No. Ew. Please help me too. I lost my friend last week. Oh. My friend and her boyfriend, both of them died together.
And I don't see as they don't bury this guy. I pray say his soul go rest in peace. And for people who there out there, no. Davido, I beg, I don't talk my own. Go find pastor, we go cleanse on her. When na this pastor we even give the prophecy, now you go find. Go meet and make him do the necessary things for you. Because this is where people they die around you. Later now, people go they talk. Even if not be true, people go talk. So do the necessary thing. My people, I hear this one. I want to make her bring and reach in aside. Make herself is not here. Hear everything they happen. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody self go see what they yarn about. I go see you now for the next video.